Boxing is not a violence. Not no. Boxing is discipline, self-control. You control yourself at any time, at home, at school, everywhere. Okay?
For the kids that was doing training, the boxing, and I like mostly to come back next month in Numbulwar community. So the kids was really happy here. They're doing the training. The kids love the boxing program, and we would love for the boxing program to be delivered more in Numbulwar community. They participated in the boxing program, and we had big numbers, and we would like to see more of the boxing program.